Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do the easiest messy updo ever. To start, I've left some hair out to frame the face, but this is optional. And then all I'm going to do is tie the rest of the hair into a 3-strand braid. Make sure you don't tie it off with an elastic. And then when you get to the end of the braid, we're just going to roll that end underneath and then continue rolling that braid up towards the nape of the neck. Then we're going to make little claws with our fingers. Grab hold of that braid and stretch it out along the nape of the neck. Hold it in place and pin it all of the way around that little bun with a few bobby pins. Once you've got everything nice and secure, we're going to take each individual loop and twist of that bun, give it a little tug to create some more volume, and then we'll just pin that into place at the nape of the neck. You can make this bun as messy or neat as you like. Now grab some texture spray and apply it all over the top of the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, and then just create a little bit of messy volume by pinching and pulling the hair. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.